Is there an angle theta with cos of theta is 0 and sine of theta is equal to 0? Well, several ways to go about this, but we should think about what cos and sine mean. So cos and sine, by definition, are the x and y coordinates of some position on a unit circle, centered at the origin. That's the meaning of them. So if I have my unit circle, drawn real badly, my unit oval, really bad. Wait a moment. Ooh. Right, so if I have my unit circle, what's the basic deal? Well, if you have an angle that winds around, it winds around like this. Is it possible to have 0, 0? So before I say anything, what is the point here? This position is cos of theta, comma sine of theta. That's the definition, right? The cos is the x-coordinate, the sine is the y-coordinate. So is it possible to have 0, 0? Well, definitely not, because 0, 0 is the origin, and that is not on the unit circle, right? This position here is 0, 0. So cos theta, sine of theta on the unit circle, centered at 0, centered at the origin, implies there is no angle. Implies, maybe I'll just write cos of theta, sine of theta. It can't equal this point. It can't be 0, 0 for any theta. Of course not, right? There's no position on the unit circle which is 0, 0 because they've all got to be distance 1 from the origin. Right, remember this length here is equal to 1. So the answer is no, right? Purely by definition of cos and sine.